How to hide chat on Snapchat. Hey everyone, this is Rose and I'm here to guide you to hide chats on Snapchat. Do watch the video till the end to learn how to hide text, chat, or any messages on Snapchat. Without much ado, let's dive right into the video. Ensure that you have the updated version of Snapchat on your device. Launch a Snapchat app on your device. Log in to the particular account on your device. Now select the Chat tab at bottom left corner of the screen. You need to open a particular chat where you want to hide chats on Snapchat. And then go to their profile at the top right corner of the screen or top of the screen. And once you are here, select the three dots at top right corner of the screen. And here, select the option for Chat and Notification Settings. Now tap Clear from Chat Feed. And here, this will clear the conversation from your feed. It will not delete any saved or sent message in your conversation. And then, this will hide your chat on Snapchat automatically. As we see that on the chat section, there is no any chats regarding that person on Snapchat. That's it. Thank you for watching.